This is the Financial News Network. I'm Francesca Tiolecco. The British bank Barclays plc is emerging as a major focus of a joint US-UK investigation into the alleged manipulation of the benchmark LIBOR interbank lending rates that are the reference point of $350 trillion in financial products, according to a report by the Financial Times. Investigators are probing whether the bank's traders and its treasury arm communicated illegally. The Treasury arm of the bank helps set the daily London interbank offered rate, or LIBOR, but the divisions of the company are prohibited from sharing information known as Chinese wall rules. Banks are required by government regulators to put controls in place to prevent various divisions of the company from improperly profiting from confidential information other parts of the bank have received. The investigators are also looking at whether there were any improper influence on Barclays' daily submissions to the set of survey that is used to set the LIBOR rate. For further news updates, stay tuned to the Financial News Network. I'm Francesca Tiolecco.